Good afternoon and good morning, everyone. I will discuss the learning activity sheets number 3. The title is Operation of Function. The learning target is perform addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division, and composition of function. This activity is use the following function. The following functions are f of x equals 2x plus 1, q of x equals to x squared minus 2x plus 1, and last is r of x equals to x plus 1, x minus 1. Question number 1 is express the function of f sub 1 x equal to x squared plus x over x minus 1 as the sum or difference of the function above. We will choose a two pair of function to find or to get the correct answer of the expression of the function. So I choose the f of x and r of x. So f of x and r of x. The value of f of x is 2x plus 1, and the value of r of x is 2x plus 1 over x minus 1. From number 1 is, the question is a sum or difference. So what operation you will use? Sum or difference? Either of these two operations, one of these operation is the correct to get the correct answer of this question. So I will choose the sum of operations. So I will add the f of x plus r of x equal. So the value of f of x is equals to 2x plus 1 plus 2x plus 1 over x minus 1. Continue. X plus 1 plus 2x plus 1 over x minus 1. First, you need to identify the LCD. The LCD of this, to add the fraction, you need to identify the LCD. The LCD is x minus 1. X minus 1 divided by 1 is equals to x minus 1. And then, divide the denominator, then multiply the numerator. So, x to 2x plus 1 times x minus 1 plus. Then, x minus 1 divided by x minus 1 is equals to 1. So 1 times the numerator is 2x plus 1 is so we have the same denominator, which is x minus 1. Continue. Before you add, you need to multiply this 2x plus 1 times x minus 1. So I have an extra sheet to multiply the 2x plus 1 times x minus 1. How to multiply? We will use the distributive property. Distribute. So you distribute. 2x times x equals 2x squared. 2x times negative 1 equals negative 2x. 1 times x equals positive x. Then 1 times negative 1 equals negative 1. So since the between of 2x squared and negative 1 is like terms, which is negative 2x plus x. So since different signs, subtract. So the remaining will be, or the final answer of is 2x squared negative x minus 1. So this is the answer of multiply by these two equation. Then over then 2x squared minus x minus 1 plus 2x plus 1 over x minus 1. Need to add the 2x squared minus x minus 1 plus 2x plus 1. So 2x squared minus x minus 1 plus 2x, which is the like terms, and plus 1. Negative 1 plus 1 equals to 0. And negative x plus 2x equals plus x. Bring down 2x squared. So this is the answer. 2x squared plus x over the denominator is x minus 1. Have you observed the final answer, which is 2x squared plus x over x minus 1 is located from the question number 1, which is the f sub 1 x is equals to 2x squared plus x over x minus 1. So it means 2x squared plus x over x minus 1 is equals to f sub 1 x. So therefore f of x plus r of x equals f sub 1 x. Now let's proceed to number 2. From the questions of number 2, express the function g sub 3 x equals 1 over x minus 1 as a product or quotient of the functions above. What is product or quotient? Quotient is divide. Product is multiply. So you need to choose two pair of functions here above. Which of these two that you will use to divide or to multiply to get the answer of g sub 3x. So now we'll choose r of x and f of x. The value of r of x is 2x plus 1 over x minus 1. The value of f of x is 2x plus 1. So what operation you will use? Product or quotient? So I will choose the quotient, which is divide operation. So you will divide the r of x and f of x. So r of x divided by f of x. So what is the value of r of x? R of x is 2x plus 1 over x minus 1 divided by 2x plus 1. How to divide? Bring down the 2x plus 1 over x minus 1 times. Why it's times? It's because you need to reciprocal the 2x plus 1 becomes 1 over 2x plus 1, or this one ani na siya 2x plus 1 over x minus 1 divided by 2x plus 1, we have imaginary of denominator 1. So reciprocal of 2x plus 1 over 1 is equals to 1 over 2x plus 1. Continue. Then multiply the numerator times numerator, denominator times denominator. So 2x plus 1 equals 2x plus 1. X minus 1 times 2x plus 1. What is the answer? So now let's try to multiply the denominator. So x minus 1 times 2x plus 1. How to multiply? We will use distributive property. So x times 2x equals 2x squared. X times 1 equals plus x. Negative 1 times 2x equals negative 2x. Negative 1 times positive 1 equals negative 1. So this is the answer of multiplication. So now write in the denominator 2x squared plus x minus 2x minus 1. As you observe from the denominator, we have a like terms. Like terms, it means same variable, same power. So the power of x is 1. The power of negative 2x is 1. So like terms. So you need to subtract. Copy the numerator 2x plus 1. Then positive x minus 2x is equals to negative x. Bring down 2x squared and bring down minus 1. Now, that's it? No, we're not done. Now, proceed how to factor this 2x squared minus x minus 1. Why we need to factor it? Because we have a power of 2 sa 2x squared. So you need to factor. So 2x squared minus x minus 1. How to factor? Then 2x 2x times x equals 2x squared. So how about the negative x minus 1? Then plus 1 and negative 1. So how to make it sure that the factor that you did is correct? So you will check if the factor is correct. So by distributive property. If you will done distributive property and the answer is same from the given, your factor is correct. So distributive property, we will check 2x times x equals 2x squared. 2x negative 1 equals negative 2x. Positive 1 times x equals positive x. Positive 1 times negative 1 equals negative 1. Same like terms, 2x squared negative x minus 1. So since after you distributed property, the answer is same from the given, so your factor is correct. So the factor is, copy the numerator 2x plus 1, and the factor will be 2x plus 1 and x minus 1. Is this the final answer? No. So continue. 2x plus 1 over 2x plus 1 x minus 1. So what have you observed? We have the same from numerator value and the denominator, since 2x plus 1 divided by 2x plus 1 equals 1. So cancel. What is the remaining of numerator? 1. The denominator? X plus 1. This is the final answer. Look at to the questions if the given is 1 over x minus 1. So now, let's proceed. So from the question is expressed the function of g sub 3 x is equals to 1 over x minus 1. So 1 over x minus 1 is equals to j sub 3 x. So since the final answer here is 1 over x minus 1 x plus 1, sorry, is equals to j sub 3 x. So therefore r of x over f of x equals to j sub 3 x. Here's the final solution. Thank you for listening. If you have questions, just comment down and ask questions, and I will entertain your questions. Thank you, and God bless to us.